Smart math tricks and strategies. Last week, we figured out the amount of match days. But today's math trick is going to be involving math percents and fractions. And remember, I have a new format for these videos. That's why it looks a little different from my first one or two. But let's get started. So here's the problem. We have to turn 58.5% into a fraction. So we do 58.5% equals 58.5%. Then we do 58.5% equals in parentheses 585 divided by 10 divided by 100. Now I did this because percents is out of 100, and fractions are basically like division, so that's why I got the 100. And the 10 is there because the last digit, which is that 5, it's in the tens place. So that means we're gonna be dividing by 10, and then we do 10 times 10 equals 10 times 100 equals 1,000. So 585 divided by 10 divided by 100 equals 585 slash 1,000. 1,000. And I chose 1,000 because if I do a divide by divide, then I gotta multiply. Now it's kind of like when you have negatives in a way, because if you have a negative times a negative, then you get a positive. So it's kind of like that in a way. So that means we have 585 divided by 1,000. And then what we do then is that we simplify it, so it becomes 117 over 200. So 58.5% equals 117 over 200 when it's simplified. So 58.5% equals to 117 200 when simplified. Now the problem didn't say that I had to simplify it, but I just wanted to. I couldn't have kept it 585 divided by 1,000, but I just chose it to simplify. Okay, so why does this work? It works because if I think about it, I break down 58.5 into 58 divided by 100 plus 0.5 divided by 100, because 1/2 is basically equal to 0.5. So then I just add them together, and since they had the same denominator, I just get 585 divided by 100, and then after that I just multiply by 10, so I just get equivalent fractions, and then I simplify it. So that's why it works. And it just works with any power of 10 as one number. And it's not like 10 to the second power or 10 to the fourth power. It's more like 100 and 10,000 and 1,000 and 1,000,000 and that stuff. It still works. As long as whatever the last digit of the number is, when it's a decimal or a fraction percent, that's the number you're gonna be dividing by before dividing by 100. If you're still confused, put your questions and concerns in the comments. Thanks for watching.